Yo, what's going on YouTube? Just doing a quick video, man. July 28th, Tuesday, man. Monday. We're still in summer. We just started, man. Got a couple combines trading right now, so that's what we got up on the screen. Currently watching the YM on a pullback to maybe the 711 high, or for price to cross back over the 710 high. Overall, all products are in a bullish area, kind of the top of yesterday's range. If you guys know, my strategy doesn't call for any breakouts, so I'm just going through the products to look for the best location. And right now, everything's kind of congested at the highs. NASDAQ bouncing yesterday high. Nice clean move. Looks like we're having a divergence between the ES and the NASDAQ. ESYM doing their own thing while the NASDAQ is holding yesterday's high. So just taking it easy. We'll see what happens, man. Overall, though, just wanted to get a little video in today. Tap back in with you guys. Summer's slowly coming to an end, so we will be ramping up the YouTube and the Discord and everything back up probably at the beginning of August. So just wanted to tap in with you guys, show some face here, man. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna sit back and chill for a little bit, see if we can catch any moves. We're gonna play Top Step TV on this joint, and then sit back and chill, guys, to see what we get. All right, just want to get my specs on my 4 hour here. Made a low of 44,958. Got a high of 45,166. Pull up our zone, see what that correlates to. All right, so 166, middle of nowhere, above previous day high. The low, 44,958. In between 710 high and a 711 high, exactly the 50% line of this range. All right, so the 4 hour thing. So 45,166, which is a non-level. Saying buy 44,958, which correlates to the 50% line of Friday's range, but it's really right here next to the 710 high, just 45.34. All right, cool. All right, based on the pathing, guys, looks like demand showed up here. Get a closing candle over 710 high and London low. Then maybe looking at taking 710 high back up to these Globex highs. We can get that trade, that would be massive. About 100-point stop on that sucker. Yeah, that's a 2.5 R. All right, great. So the 4 hour set a buy of 44,958. It's the middle of this 50% of Friday's range. Closest level is 710 high. Bounced off of here, closed back over. London low, 710 high. We do got previous day high right here, but this overnight supply is gonna want to take that out.
Yeah. And this is last week high, right?
Last week high is right there.
That's what we break even by then. That's what I like.
All right, great.
Same as the ES, just a lot less room.
A lot less room.
But you want to be in at 18, break even by 30, and then take out the high.
Okay. All right, cool. You see our ES whipped out of previous volume, about to close back over. Yesterday high.
Cool. That's how close it got to 30. What's the low? It made 20. Close it got to the Thursday
high. Yeah, made a low of 25. Oh yeah,
10 point stop.
18. Yeah. Okay, so that's not bad.
It's not bad. Yeah, people hopped on that. It's pretty good.
It's not bad.
Yeah, and it's already back at last week's high at 30. Correct. London low. 30.
London low is at 32.
Yeah.
Is that last week's high? Yeah. Previous day. Friday high was last week's high.
Yeah, Friday's high was last week's high.
All right. Same thing with the 4 hour on the ES. Continuation to the downside with a low of 64, 24, 25. And we had Thursday high right there at 18. So yeah, buyer stepped in on that. It's good.
And
NQ got the cleanest pattern.
It does.
As far as what it did on the 15, the levels is taking over. It's already at the highest. As far as what it's doing, it's probably going to tell what the other market's going to do. So
all right, so hit last week high, already headed back to the close.
Exactly.
Okay, all right, cool.
Candles off last
That's what I expected ES and NQ to do.
Yeah, so the YM just got a little bit of legs.
Yeah, it's got a little bit.
Got some more, but like I said, YM's not trading all-time highs, so you're not even trading into no man's land with this. You got last week high, and then you go into a previous weekly high in February. That's way up there for us. So we're trading level to level on the YM still.
All right, cool.
All right, guys, got what we're looking at. So run plan is going to cause for a YM long stop under 44,958 at the most, but really stop under 45.34 is going to be the level I'm playing. Really 710 high, but you got 100 points with a $100 stop with $500 for some YMs. No, this might be too close to previous day high.
You wanted to pull back to. It's not bad, bro. For real, because the truth doesn't matter. Last week's high is already fucking cooked.
Yeah, truth doesn't matter.
Yeah, so the level you're going for is the level that you're going for is that I put in last night. So. As long as you break even by that last week high line, then you should be sure. You got it. Is it set up for that? I thought you had your phone.
In this side pocket. Last week's high is not until 45,234.
Yeah, so you got to be in the resistance level.
Yeah, we got
a weekly level.
More than enough points for that for sure.
Yeah. That's what I was
saying. Yeah, and the ES doing the same thing. It's nice. It bounced off that 24, but it closed back over Friday's high, but you're looking at 32 to 44. It's not enough juice.
Yeah, it's not enough. Yeah.
Same thing with the NQ. NQ's trading. Just crossed back over Asia. Low trading 23,517, and the high of the day is 584. So you're looking at 50 points on that second.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's not lovely.
Yeah, that's not lovely. So it's going to be a continuation day. This is the bullish candle.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah. And if it's going to fail this, then that's fine.
That's fine. So that's the risk you take.
Yeah, that's the risk you take. So as long as we can, which I like, we've been doing that. It's like identifying, like, okay, where's the risk we're taking is going through this line right here. You know what I mean? So it's like, okay, like if you get past this, it's gonna go here. You know what I'm saying? Exactly. That's our line. That's our.
You got 3 levels. That's the first level of resistance.
First defensive line we're going into. You know what I mean? First little line we're going into, and it's kind of weak. After last night, it's kind of weak.
Yeah, after last night, it's kind of weak.
Because
we gapped up.
This is the line you want to watch right here.
Yeah, because we gapped up. Look, filled the gap. Now we trade under the gap.
No, not necessarily. Right. The gap started right here, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So literally, we're rejecting it right now. So put a clear line here off of this. so we can see once it gets over that, because it might not even be a pullback. It might just retest this, the top of that top, and then it might not even be a pull to see. All right, cool. So now you kind of see what we were taking. Even if you just do the body for real. And then you see how close it is to the body. Look at that.
Globex gap low. As you guys can see, man, we're just reading price action in real time. So that's what we're doing on the daily to find the good locations. Same thing every day, man. Just want to go ahead and just notate that Globex. Globex had a nice gap up last night, so I just want to go ahead and make sure I got it notated on my charts just in case we are playing that Globex gap. All right. And as you can see, price literally pull back to this 50% line, cross back over 710 high. Now we're rejecting that Globex gap low. So this is kind of what I want to see. If we can confirm we're going back into that gap, that's going to get us right back up to last week high zone.
Bro, even looking at that gap floor, it's like once it gapped up, we went under, so it should be enough to like stop people out in before the gap, and then stop out.
Yeah, stop out and then back in. Yeah, because that's literally what they all did. Held the gap up, and then once you got the mid session for London, started to fill the gap to the downside. All right, cool. So just wait for this bullish candle to close in a few minutes, and then get a wick and see what we can do. Yeah, got the same as yours, man. All right.
Rusty Russell.
To keep them safe. Speeding catches up with you. Paid for by MedSun.
I think it's got everything. Bro. You can even check the U25 on here. Yeah. That shit looks so good. You just set up your deposit account. Oh yeah, we're all set up.
Yeah, cash out.
I think we did do. Yeah. What was it, cash?
No, no,
One of those. I can't remember. 6432. Yes. Just trying to make see if it is. Yeah, 6432. Alright.
It's crazy. I can't look at the lights. The light ones don't look good to me. Personally.
Yeah. The dark ones are just like, yo.
You always have a good light.
Yeah, I always have the light. That's the day. Oh, that was the weekly. Okay. How many lines is?
All right, we got the bullish candle, and we're right up against these highs now.
I ain't really scared of that, bro.
Yeah, they close over the Globex low.
Yeah, and it's probably not gonna be much of a pullback.
I think so.
Yeah, but I mean, of course, we waited for it. So don't be surprised if it's a small wait.
Okay.
This line should be stronger than that one. But
all right, guys, we about to get frisky. Interest gonna be right around here. Stops will be 100 points be about right there. Oh, baby wick. There you go. Come on, man. A little wick on that. Need a little wick on that sucker, mud. All right, this might be enough. Can you look at this for me?
I would say go ahead.
I gotta give more, huh?
I mean, you would think, bro. Is your stop gonna be under this?
Yeah.
All right, just go ahead, because I mean that's the level. If your stop can be under the bullish candle.
I gotta do it.
Order filled.
All right, guys, we're in the YM. Hate to be this close to the supply, but
I don't care about it.
I like how we got all this room up here. So, and the market is just it's bullish, man. Summer shit.
Yeah, summer slowing.
Shit is bullish.
Like, but it's doing the same thing over and over.
Over and over.
Making that weak high overnight and then taking it out.
Yeah, and then taking it out. Yeah, for real. So, and that's kind of us being able to take advantage of what London and London session and Japan sessions been able to do overnight. It's like they've been getting cleaner moves, so we kind of got to play the. Even look at this, the sell down from the Globex high for London. It's like that's enough for London, so we can take it back up to this gap up high, and then it'll just be regular business. It's like nothing happened today.
Yeah, higher low.
Exactly.
Like, that shouldn't even happen.
All right, so my trade taken today, I selected the YM since it had the deepest pullback. Main location I'm playing is 710 high. This is around 45.34, and my stop's way left 44.981 under this bullish candle. So entry at 45.98. Stop loss at 44.981. I'm risking a little bit over 100 P's, about 550 on the risk here, so 585. A little bit, but I risk between 550 and 6, if you know.
Between 5 and 6.
All right, and then we got to break even 100 points away. That's going to be 45.198, be under this Globex gap high, so that's going to be great. Under last week high, Globex gap high, 198, 100 P's. Put my break-even line. Just like to have my charts visually set up, so it's just easy. Look at it, price hit the break-even. So. All right, B&E is on there at 45.198. Got TP1's gonna be last week's high, 45.236. By that time, we'll be break-even, up probably about $700, and the overall TP is gonna be beautiful new not a new all-time high because the YM's not making new all-time highs, but this beautiful high that was made at 2 a.m. last night, 45.315. Risking 585. We'll make about 11 at the high, so that's me for today. All right, cool. That's my trade for the day, man. Go ahead, let this sucker play out. Just wanted to tap in with you guys real quick. I'm gonna go ahead in the video because I want to get this dropped, and then I'll update you guys on the result later on in the day, man. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are trading safe for the summer. Like I said, we'll be ramping up back with the Discord, live YouTube starting next month. You know what I'm saying? We're just moving our feet for the summer. So appreciate everybody still tapping in. Hope you're trading safe, enjoying your summer. All that good jazz, man. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sign out here. Go ahead, get this video uploaded, and then I'll tap in with you guys later on. Let you guys know the result of this combine trade. It's the summer, so we're building up new leverage on the desk, getting back fully top step accounts. No longer trading the Tradify account. Nothing against it, but the consistency rate on that account is absolutely atrocious.
They got a diabolical equation.
They got a diabolical equation on that. So going back to Top Step, just the most professional firm, most freedom, closest to like trading live capital, letting you run it. Closest to S&B capital that you can get. You know what I'm saying? So just fully focused on upping up some more leverage on here. And as you can see, this account's pretty much halfway done. So yeah, we'll just let this play out. It should be at 2K by the end of the day. But it's good, man. It's good to see you guys. And tap back in with y'all tomorrow, man. I'm gonna try to at least get some quick vids in before I get moving in my day. Just when I get into my trade, it's summer, so I'm moving my feet during the days, not staring at these dry charts like you should be. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be tapping in with you guys, me and the Brody, Twin Peaks Traders, man. Shout out everyone. Appreciate everybody tapping in with the content. A lot of cool things coming up in the next few months. So happy you guys along for the ride, man. I'll tap in with you guys in a few. Thanks for watching. Let you guys know the result of this in the day. And we're out, boys.